Hi, today for the Motorola Moto G23, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. First, let's launch the Gmail application, and now tap on the right upper corner. Then here you will see the logged in the Gmail account in Gmail application. And now if you want to log out from the Gmail account, you should first log out from Google account on your device. To do that, click to manage accounts on this device, tap to this account and click remove account. After that, confirm your action. Now in Google account settings, we we log out from just any accounts, Google accounts. So let's go back to the application, let's just refresh it, and now we can see that we just successfully log out also from Gmail application. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.